Did you know you can remove this glass pot off your oven, take it out and give it a clean? So join me today and I will show you how you can remove yours and give your oven a deep clean. Join me today. So you can open up your oven. If you look on the side parts, some of them you have to unscrew, some of them have got a flip, and you just lift it up, lift up the glass, and then it slides out. So you just need to check which type of oven you've got. So like I mentioned, some of them you have to screw the glass out, or they've got little clips over there on the right hand corner, and you just slide the glass. So check which type of oven you've got. Then you can take out the glass, and then you can clean this part of the glass as well, because sometimes buildup of the oils, the fumes and stuff do get collected over there, and you can give it a clean. This oven is quite clean, to be honest, but I'm just giving a demonstration on how you can clean your oven door. So now that the glass is clean and we are drying it, we're going to put it back. So with this oven, what I've realized is that it actually on the glass is written, put this side up. It shows you the directions. I just have to align it properly for it to slide back down into the grooves and then clip it back down. So it's quite straightforward, especially just the aligning so that it just slides perfectly back down. And then you can either, get your screwdriver and screw it back on again, or flip the clips so that, the glass fits perfectly again, like what mine has just done. And that is it. I hope this video was informative and helpful, and if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you soon.